Take a look of this YouTube channel that has over 300K subscribers and getting millions of views by posting the simple videos that probably take them to create 5 minutes to create 1,000 videos. Yeah, you heard it right. 1,000 videos in 5 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can done the same work. I have a bonus tip for all of you at the end of the video, so let's start. First, you have to go to canva.com and create a free account. If you don't know what is Canva, it's a platform where you can edit your photos and videos. After creating an account, you will land on this page. Now click on the button Create a Design and choose YouTube Shorts. Now you will be redirected to another tab. On that tab, you need to scroll down and choose Apps. Then click on Videos and search for Sunset and choose whatever you like. I will go with this one, then expand it to the corners. And make sure to mute the volume. Then click on Text and add a text box and rename with Title, and click on Effects and choose a background. Then add another text box and rename with Part 1 and click on Effects, and choose Outline and increase its thickness. Then left-click on it and duplicate it and rename with Part 2, then copy this prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. Don't worry, I provide the exact prompted in description so you can copy and paste it after you got the result. Return back to Canva and scroll and click on Apps, then click on Bulk Creation and choose Enter Data manually. Then clear this table, then go to ChatGPT and copy the answer that ChatGPT provide you, and then paste it in Canva, then click Done. After this, left-click on Title and choose Connect Data and connect them correctly. Click on Title and choose what animation you like. But remember to choose same animation for Part 1 and Part 2. After you choose animation, left-click on Part 1 and choose Show Timing and adjust it by yourself. Or you can adjust as I adjust. After adjusting their timings, move Part 1 on Part 2. After this, play the video. If you are satisfied, then click on Continue, then click on Create All Design, and you have all of your videos ready. Then click on Share button and check this box, download all pages as a separate files. After this, it will be downloaded. Now, here is a bonus tip. After the file is downloaded, create a new folder and cut all the videos from the file that you downloaded and paste it in new folder. We do this because the file we downloaded, it was downloaded in .zip format and we cannot upload video from this folder, but after pasting it in new folder, you can upload this videos everywhere on every platform. Now after your videos is ready to upload, but I recommend you to add a trending song on the background of the video. Here is a sample video. If you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any video that I publish on future. Thanks for watching.